We've added a powerful new rendering engine by Cinema-4d into Vectorworks 2011. This new rendering engine will add dramatic speed and quality gains with robust rendering options directly into Vectorworks. Let's start by looking at the changes to the rendering menu options and interface. You'll notice the list of Renderworks modes has been condensed. The 4 Renderworks modes available are Fast Renderworks, Final Quality Renderworks, Custom Renderworks, and Artistic Renderworks. Thanks to the new Cinema-4d rendering engine, each of these rendering modes yields faster rendering speeds for indirect light renderings. For Artistic Renderworks, the different styles available have been changed. There are several shaded rendering styles and several line-only rendering styles based on Cinema-4d's Sketch and Toon styles. In Vectorworks 2011, Fast Renderworks will now always show shadows. So, Fast Renderworks with shadows has been removed. In addition, indirect lighting is now set from the Lighting Options dialog box. Therefore, all of the radiosity render modes have been removed as well. The Custom Renderworks options have been changed to a more simplified interface. Here you can choose options such as shadows and blurriness to use for your rendering, but you can also set quality levels for these options as well. Now here's the completed rendering. If I wanted to make a change to one of the objects in this rendering, it starts the rendering process again. Now in Vectorworks 2011, when you press the escape key to cancel a render, it's done instantly. This is another advantage of using a separate application to do renderings. The addition of this new rendering engine not only makes for quicker renderings, but more accurate and smoother ones as well. Take a look at these rendered images created in 2011. Shadows no longer show a banding effect as the shadow begins to fall off. This transition appears much smoother in 2011. The same is true for anti-aliasing. Additionally, natural lighting appears much smoother in Vectorworks 2011. There are no more hotspots or drastic changes from light to dark in your rendering. Even textures have been improved thanks to the new Cinema-4d rendering engine. We've decreased the amount of options available with each shader, but have made them more powerful. With these shaders, and the options available with each shader, you'll be able to achieve all of the same effects as in previous versions of Vectorworks. The change to textures was not only made to make creating textures more powerful and less complicated, but also to match the shaders available in Cinema-4d. Now in Vectorworks, there is a new native option to export to Cinema-4d. You will no longer need to install a separate plugin. Additionally, we've added a Send to Cinema-4d option. This option creates a temporary file, and the file is automatically opened in Cinema-4d. The new integration of Cinema-4d rendering into Vectorworks 2011 will greatly improve your workflow, rendering speeds, and communication between these two applications. If you think that Renderworks looks good now, wait until you try Vectorworks 2011.